How is it going? Welcome to my channel, Motoverse Official. If you are watching my videos for first time, this channel is all about bikes. Enjoy. Let's get started.
Welcome to the detailed breakdown of the 2025 KTM 125 Duke, a machine that proves small capacity doesn't mean small performance. In this video, we'll dive deep into the tech, performance, design, and power parts that make this Duke a true street warrior. At the heart of the 2025 KTM 125 Duke lies a 124.99cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine, producing 15 petaseconds of peak power and 11.5 nanometers of torque. Paired with a 6-speed transmission and Bosch EFI system with a 33mm throttle valve, this engine is designed for crisp throttle response and efficient power delivery. It features a Bosch EMS with ride-by-wire, enhancing precision and control for both new and experienced riders. With a compression ratio of 12.61 and a bore-and-stroke of 58mm by 47.3mm, this compact motor ensures high-revving thrills while maintaining fuel efficiency at just 2.4 liters per 100 kilometers. CO2 emissions are kept low at just 57 grams per kilometer, aligning with modern environmental standards. It runs on Motorex Formula 4 T15W 50 engine oil and uses a wet sump lubrication system for durability and performance.
The bike comes with liquid cooling to maintain optimal engine temperature, even in stop-and-go traffic. An electric starter ensures hassle-free ignition, and it's powered by an 8-amp-hour battery to support modern electronics. And the KTM 125 Duke is built on a lightweight steel trellis frame, powder-coated for durability. At the front, it features WPA-PEX 43mm forks with 150mm of suspension travel. At the rear, it boasts an off-center WPA-PEX shock absorber with 150mm of travel and 60mm of stroke, plus preload adjustability, all designed to give maximum traction and control, whether you're carving corners or cruising city streets. The stopping power comes on the bike from a 320mm front disc with a 4-piston radial fixed caliper and a 240mm rear disc with a single-piston floating caliper. The Duke rolls on lightweight alloy wheels, reducing unsprung mass and improving agility. It's fitted with grippy Michelin Road 5 tires, 110/70 at the front and 150/60 at the rear, offering superb road grip and confidence through turns. Front wheel diameter 3 inches, rear 4 inches. With a wheelbase of 1,357 millimeters, the 125 Duke strikes a fine balance between stability and maneuverability. The seat height is 800 millimeters, making it accessible to a wide range of riders. The rear subframe is made from powder-coated aluminum, giving strength without adding bulk. KTM's PowerParts lineup lets you customize your 125 Duke for both style and function. Options include radiator protection, grille LED turn signal, kit fly screen for wind protection, rear bag for utility remus, slip-on silencer for enhanced sound and performance, top case for added luggage space, mirror set and handlebar end mirror, adapter kit handguard, kit for extra protection, measuring cup for maintenance convenience, sticker sheet to give it your personal touch. The 2025 KTM 125 Duke is more than just an entry-level naked. It's a lightweight, aggressive, and well-engineered machine made for the streets. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking for an urban thrill machine, this bike delivers big on performance and sharp on style. What do you think about the new Duke 125? Would you pick this over the competition in the 125cc segment? Let me know in the comments below.
If you have watched till the end, thank you very much for watching the video. Want to get updated about bikes first before anyone else? Hit subscribe and stay notified. See you to the next video. Till then, be happy and ride safely.